Hey yo, it's Chris O. This is another example of what it used to be done like years ago. Now there is a puddle flange, but see the rise they haven't sunken it in, and I used to do that years ago, but it's way different now. So in this case, water would have been just puddling there because it's got nowhere to go. It can't go uphill and then down the hole, and that's why so many showers leak. That is why I waterproof on top of my screed now. This is going to have a strip drain in the shower, so Reese, my plumber, will be chasing the pipe in. Where that circle is, that's where it comes up. I'd like him to put in a 4-inch reducing to a 40 mil or a 2-inch pipe, and we're laughing, absolute laughing. I will have a width there of 100 mil away from the strip drain, so I'm able to angle my tile up so it all runs nicely into the strip drain. It's going to end up a beautiful bathroom, people. I'll show you how to measure up a bathroom for square meters. See you soon.